So this is an introduction to retrofitting. It deals with the subject CIV 567 retrofitting techniques. Retrofitting in civil engineering is one of the new and job promising careers in civil engineering today. What we say retrofitting as per dictionary, it means that add a component or accessory to something that did not have it when manufactured. For example, in this case, your mobile didn't have the latest features. So instead of buying a new mobile, what you can do is retrofit old smartphones for new capabilities. So this is the meaning of retrofitting. You can find this line. The newest way to go green is to retrofit your old cars to make it electric. Retrofitting in civil engineering primarily means providing a component or feature which was not provided when constructed, or in other words, installation of new building systems in the structure. A restoration or modification of existing structure make this structure strong, durable, thermal efficient, adaptable and functional. Retrofitting techniques make the structure more resistant against seismic activity and natural hazards like cyclones, tornado, winds, or thunderstorms. Retrofitting also makes buildings sustainable, helps cutting the carbon emission, make it cheaper and easier to run a building, overcome poor ventilation or dampness problems, therefore improving the health of occupants. Thus, retrofitting helps in improving the hygiene of the structure as well. Now, we'll use a metaphor to understand this. Suppose I have an expensive jacket which I thought of wearing for at least 3 years. After 2 years, what I found is that it is maybe tight, or its zip is not functional, or some places stitching has teared off. So, whether I should buy a new jacket or try to fix this? Yes, as an engineers are basically problem solvers. We should try to fix the problems. Similarly, in case of buildings, if at all any problem is there, what we should try to do is to solve the problem, because new building is not an economical or sustainable solution, because it takes lot of raw materials and energy to build a new structure. We want to maximize the energy saving and extract solutions from the existing infrastructure only. Let us see one. This is a table which shows the various earthquakes that has taken place in last 30-35 years in India. What we can see that a lot of buildings have collapsed due to the earthquake, and which has led to the loss of human lives. This is actually a shame on civil engineers. Civil engineers should ensure from their experiences that safety and serviceability of the structure as well as occupant is ensured. Civil engineers should provide good engineering practices which is economical as well as sustainable. A recent earthquake in Nepal has led to retrofitting of the entire city because all the schools and civil infrastructures were damaged very badly. Retrofitting of building components include beam, column, slab, foundation. Retrofitting is not only limited to old buildings, but it is applicable for commercial buildings. Like if you want to increase the capacity of the beams and column, if at all excessive vibration is there, so we can retrofit the building. Example of this jacket we saw earlier. Now suppose this is first team jersey and you won medal for your country in this jacket. So in no way you're gonna throw this jacket, right? So what you will do, you will try to restore and preserve it forever. Similarly, civil engineers should also ensure conservation and restoration of all heritage structures as well. So retrofitting of heritage structure is also an example or an area in retrofitting. Retrofitting also helps in improving the energy efficiency of the structure. We as a designer or an engineer, Look for energy efficient lighting design using both natural as well as artificial lighting system. We want to utilize the solar energy or solar heat gain, or in some cases we tend to avoid it also. We want to utilize the rainwater, natural light, air circulation and ventilation by providing proper position and opening of standard size across the building. This brings us to the syllabus unit 1 of the subject retrofitting techniques. What we see in the first part will deal with serviceability and durability. It mainly deals with the concrete, constructional permeability, thermal properties and all the factors that affect the serviceability and durability of concrete. The second part of this unit deals with the non-destructive testing like visual inspection, ultrasound test, rebound hammer, acoustic emission or vibration monitoring techniques. When we talk about retrofitting of RCC structural members, it is generally to regain the strength of the deteriorated structural concrete elements, and it prevents the further distress in concrete. The strength deficiency of structural concrete is mainly due to poor workmanship, errors in design, deterioration due to aggression of harmful agents. When we want to deal with RCC structure, we primarily deal with concrete also. Retrofitting of concrete structure damage due to excessive loading, errors in design, modification in structural system, maybe due to seismic damage or some structural cracks, corrosion due to penetration through honeycombs. Repair, rehabilitation and retrofitting of concrete structure is an old topic. As you can see, already 4 parts of this book is out. To summarize, the objectives of retrofitting is basically to increase the strength, stiffness, stability, ductility and integrity of the structure. The loss of life, reduction of essential facilities and functional continuity of lifespan of the structure. Increase the lateral stiffness with high shear concentration near walls. Increase the overturning moment capacity at foundation. Increase the strength in all possible directions by jacketing, by providing reinforcement or by increasing the wall areas or the number of walls and columns and ensuring the proper connection of all the joints. Here is a food of thought. Can you identify some of the points from strength point of view, and can you list points for making building more energy efficient? So welcome to the world of retrofitting civil engineering structures.